The first step in doing good research is to make sure that we have a good question we want to answer. We have examples of some fun questions on the People's Trial website. You may notice that all of these questions have 3 distinct parts. They each have an intervention, a comparator, and an outcome. I'm going to explain what each of these are using the example question, does eating cheese cause nightmares? All randomised trials questions have an intervention. The intervention is the thing that you want to test to see if it works. In our example question, it's eating cheese. A comparator is something we compare the intervention with. So in our example, our comparator is not eating cheese. Lastly, we have our outcome. An outcome is something that we measure or assess to find out if the intervention being studied is having an effect, good or bad, or a no difference, on the outcome. In our example, our outcome would be whether the participant has nightmares or not. So, putting intervention, comparator, and outcome together for our example gives us the question, does eating cheese cause nightmares? The People's Trial is powered by the public, so we want to choose a question that all members of the public can get involved in answering. A few things to think about before you submit your question. 1. Choose something interesting and fun. 2. Choose something that anyone, or at least most people, can do. 3. Choose something that people can collect data on themselves, such as whether or not they have nightmares, for example. This makes sure that people living rurally can take part just as easily as people living in city centres. Lastly, choose something that can be answered in a short time frame. We only have a limited time for the People's Trial, and we want to make sure that we can answer your question completely.